Hey everyone, this is Micah from Cali Raised LED. Today I'm going to show you how to install our 4th generation Tacoma bed supports. The tools that you're going to need are going to be a 5.5mm Allen head, a T55 Torx, a T40 Torx, a 10mm socket, as well as a 15/64 drill bit and a 1/4" drill bit. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so now that we're at the truck, the first thing that we need to do is remove the taillight. So the only thing holding it in really are these 2 bolts down here. So we're going to take those off, and then there are kind of a couple things, and you kind of yank it out. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, now that we have the taillight removed, it's just time to take out these 2 bolts. All right, now that we have the bolts removed and the taillight removed, we can bolt this in briefly. You're gonna get lined up. Don't need to get it tight or anything yet. All right, so we're just gonna get this loosely in here so that we can mark our 3 holes, and then we're gonna drill them, and then we can actually fully bolt it together. All right, so now that we got the 1/4" drill bit in there, that's just to get ourselves a pilot hole. Now we can go ahead and use our 15/64 spit. All right, now the holes are drilled. We're gonna go ahead and put our cage nuts into our plate, and then we're gonna slip it into place through this hole over here, and then we can finish bolting it up. All right, now that the cage nuts are in place, we can go ahead and get this bolted up. Obviously get any shavings away. And then you can kind of reach through here and grab the tallest cage nut. And you can kind of look through these holes and kind of get your plate in place from that. All right, so that finishes up the installation for the driver's side. The passenger installs the exact same way, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that installed, and then we'll finish up. All right, that concludes the installation for the 4th generation Tacoma. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel, and please visit www.caliraisedled.com and order yours today.